just changed a bunch of shit, so. But I think we're good. I'm gonna check the rear suspension. Cool. Proud of myself. Surprisingly, everything looks good.
Oh hey, I didn't see you there.
Hey, how are you?
It's cold.
It's like 35 out, and it's great. The northern fog has rolled in.
Except it's not the northern fog, it's the Hancock fog.
Hancock fog. It's great. Drove 42 hours
42
non-stop. Feels great. Still don't know how to shift the truck, but you know, we're learning.
Hey, at least you didn't run it out of gas, am I right?
That was
I did.
2 hours later, still sitting there.
Would have been a 40-hour drive.
Put that back. But yeah, we're just sitting here watching some clapped out drift cars do their thing. It's great.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Cool, we'll wait. Goddamn drift cars. We perused on into Orlando, where we met up with Pat, where they were working on drift cars in the last minute. That's a weird thing that never happens. It was so rare to see that. Kind of heartbreaking. But hung out there for a little while, drank some alcoholic seltzer water that was choice, and then we cruised on over to Tommy Babiarz's house, who happens to be the nicest human being on this planet, and he gave us brownies. And we slept, which was beautiful. The sleep just washed over. I lay down and then I woke up. It's good. And that was day numero uno. Actually, it was day number 2. So day 3 rolls along, we wake up, it's a lazy day. We don't have to be anywhere until like 2 p.m. We relax at Tommy's, he cooks us breakfast like a nice gentleman would. We chat, I watched the worst movie ever. No names, gonna leave that out. We cruise over to the track, get everything set up. It's nice, it's finally sunny. We can shed our hoodies and our winter garb. I get a couple of laps in, the car's feeling good. I go through almost 2 sets of tires in just a couple of laps. That's an issue. Whatever, different story for a different day. And now, as you can see, it's extremely balmy. Thanks, Pat.
Florida!
Fucking Florida. Go Gators.
I like your windshield man.
I'm still running, bro. I'm running in my head. And so as you can see, it's like 40 degrees in Florida. I'm gonna leave my driving gloves on because they're warm. I have a beanie on, a long sleeve shirt, a t-shirt, a hoodie, a jacket, and I'm still cold. But whatever, we're having a good time here at Spring Break Bash. Day 3 recap, over, done, killed it, slayed! Going to start the King of Spring Break competition. This is basically whoever wins this at the end of this weekend gets to drive every day that they haven't drifted in here for free. All they have to do is beat the guy that wins each one of these rounds. Let's do it! All right. comes out with a lot. Who's it gonna go to, my people? Crash bar? Crash bar! King of OSW! You guys absolutely slayed it! Look up! Had to break something, I mean, let's be real here. I done did it, I had to break something, man.
The question is, can you drive it on the trailer? Like you promised?
No. I think I can. Think so? Yeah.
Alright, that's all that matters.
It's just a stock engine.
Yeah, it's a junkyard motor.
6-liter?
Yeah, iron block.
With a cam?
Yeah, some random cam we found in the fucking shop.
Sounds good.
Thanks, man.
Somebody in my comments said it sounds like Turks.
6 sounds like a Ferrari. We're moving up.
Yeah, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's a piece of shit Ferrari.
Yeah, duh.
Okay.
I'm ready to jack you whenever, just let me know.
Okay, give me a sec. Let me just retract it a little bit.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going. Oh, God. They ripped the whole fucking exhaust off the header.
Go, Mark.
Keep going, about an inch. That's
There,
good.
right there.
Good. You gotta have good recovery stuff when you hang around with me. Otherwise you're fucked.
Is that by experience, yeah?
Tell you what.
Tell you what.
It's not his first rodeo.
But that won't be my last either. We're gonna get out of your hair.
Do it.
Hopefully we'll see you guys at No Coast.
You will.
We'll get you going. Fucking Ricky Smith. Goddamn Ricky Smith racing. What's up, Ricky?
What's up, Ricky?
Don't you wish your rig was baller like mine? That makes me sort of sad. Why am I poor? I just tore my trailer up for no reason. Literally no reason. I was like, why the fuck did it do a burnout? Because it was dug in by the exhaust bolt. Oh my god. Why are we we even doing this?
Ricky Smith Jr.?
That's Ricky Smith's fucking family rig. This guy's like, why are you guys so fucking poor? Literally, just the worst fucking scum of the earth. I'm going in.
We're not going in.
I'm dipping a toe, getting the fuck out.
Alright, go dip the toe.
Yes.
Oh, yeah! Alright, we're done. It's cold and there's a large crab.
Very large crab.
Big Crocs, I lost them. Hey, there they are.
Abby does.
Over there.
My Crocs!
Now the feet are all going to be uncomfortable and sandy on the way home.
I hate Louisiana roads! We're literally ramping through Louisiana right now.
Yeah, we are.
Hey Louisiana, you want to spend a couple bucks and maybe fix the rhythm section you've installed on your highway? I know you got taxpayers there, I see them.
Feeling that the government is watching you. I mean, let's be real here. Aliens are in charge, and they are shape-shifting reptilian scum. They are after a rare form of gold that they snort in order to get high. They come from Mars. Don't worry about that.
Almost out. Thanks, Louisiana. Scumbag state. Oh my god. Oh my god.